मोपा दाबोळे विमानतळाचेर रोजगाराविशीं हवाई येरादारी मंत्री सुरेश प्रभूच्या उतराचेर जीसीसीआय आनी एसोकॅम खोशी। मोपा प्रकल्पाक लागून गोंयकारांक मोठ्या प्रमाणात रोजगार मेळटलो, ताका विरोध जावंक जायना म्हूण एसोकॅम आनी जीसीसीआय म्हणटा। मात ते खातीर तरणाट्यांक जाय ते तंत्रीक शिक्षणाची जबाबदारी खंय सरकारान घेवंक जाय।
I am here on behalf of ASSOCHAM and Goa Chamber of Commerce and Industries. Together, we welcome the announcements made by the Honorable Civil Aviation Minister with regards to the airports of Goa. These opportunities I don't think we have ever got in the past, but now that we are getting it, we should go forward and welcome it. Very important for us as far as Goa Chamber is concerned is there are lots of entrepreneurial opportunities which would be generated. We have had meetings with the minister who has promised us that those commercial establishments which would come in and around the airport, within the airport precincts, would be prioritized for the Goans. But one thing is that we have to prepare our youths with the skills that they require, and we have 2 years time for that. That is the reason why I am going out of the way to tell the youths, whoever come, we have been talking to youths. Correct. Now what we have done is, I'll tell you, we are with them, we are talking with them, and we have got the list of the jobs which will be needed at the airport. These have been given to the technical institutes to prepare the skill sets. And I have been told that there are 6 months course, there are 1 year course, and there are 2 year courses. And they are on job now, preparation with the skill sets, and which will soon be announced by the institutes themselves. There are seven of them in Goa, which will be preparing to train these skill sets.
श्रम मंत्री रोहन खंवटेन श्रम खात्यामार्फत फुडाकार घेवन तरणाट्यांक रोजगार मेळोवन दिवपाच्या हेतान ट्रेड फेअर दवरला। पयलो ट्रेड फेअर 11 मायाक पर्वरेस सुकूर पंचायतीन जातलो। हातूंत 50 कंपन्यांक हाडपाचें टार्गेट थारला। उपरांत रोहन वांटेकार जाल्ल्या कंपन्यांच्या एचआरा बरोबर एकठांय चर्चा करतलो।
एम्प्लॉयमेंट करपाक आयपीबी जावं जाल्यार आमची आयटी पॉलिसी जावं नाल्यार इंडस्ट्रियल पॉलिसी जावं इज क्लियरली डिस्क्रायबिंग इन्सेंटिव्स बेस्ड ऑन एम्प्लॉयमेंट टू गोन्स। आता इनिशिएटिव्ह फुडें घेता आसतना द फर्स्ट थिंग वॉट वी हॅव हायलायटेड इन दीस मंथ की वी नीड टू कम आउट विथ ट्रेड फेअर्स विच वील हॅव सम अवेअरनेस ऑर सम जॉब सिकर्स कमिंग इन। सो ताच्या खातीर ह्या म्हयन्यान आमी जवळ जवळ मे आनी जून 10 पर्यंत 3 ट्रेड फेअर प्लॅन केल्ले आसा। पयलो ट्रेड फेअर इज ऑन 11th of this month at Porvorim, which is open for the people of Goa to come, especially North Goa, to come and address their grievances or issues where they say आपल्याक unemployment आसा आपल्याक सिनेरियो चान्स मेळटलो काय म्हणून। Roughly from employers side we already have a confirmation of about 35 companies confirming. The target is to have about 50 companies on board. हे करता आसतना the next day on 12th in the second half we have broadly called for a meeting of HR managers of all the companies which are having more than 50 employees. We have invited them for a chat, a get together where we can share our thoughts as a government, what we have as plans. We are basically ensuring that all the companies which are coming and smooth registration of the people जावचे पण आम्ही ऑनलाइन रजिस्ट्रेशन चालू दवरिल्लें आसा।
घेवया एक कमर्शियल ब्रेक।